So far, we've talked about adding items and adding a list. What if we want to delete an item? We have the function pop, and pop is going to take an argument that is an optional argument, and it's going to be an index. We'll remove the item at index I from the list, and this function is going to return whatever it removed. If no index, since it's optional, is provided, we will remove from the end of the list and return it. So unlike the other list functions, pop does return a value. It does not return none. Pop will return whatever it removed from the list. So let's take a look at an example. If we have friends equals Ross, Sabrina, Luna, if we did friends.pop and we do not pass in an argument, this will remove the last item from the list. So if we print removed, this will give us the string Luna. If we print friends, we see that the list has shrunk and Luna is no longer in the list. What if we did removed equals friends.pop1? Now it's going to remove the item at index 1. So if we print removed, it's going to print Sabrina because pop is going to return the item that it removed. In this case, the item at index 1 was Sabrina. So it's going to return that, and that gets stored in the variable removed. If we print friends, we can see that Sabrina was removed from the list, and the list was mutated to contain only Ross. There's another way to delete an item from a list, and it is the remove function. So this is going to remove the first item from the list whose value is equal to X, an item in the list. This changes the list but does not return the list. So it returns none, like all the other list functions except for pop. If X does not exist in the list, it's going to raise a value error. Let's take a look at some examples. So if we have friends equals Jordan, Sabrina, Ross, and we do removed equals friends.remove Ross, what this does is it's going to remove the first occurrence of Ross from the list. And it's going to return none, which is why when we print removed, it's going to print none. If we print friends, we will see that the list has been mutated to no longer include Ross. So it'll print out Jordan, Sabrina in a list. What if we do friends.remove Andrea? Well, since Andrea does not exist in the list friends, it's going to give us a value error. Head on over to Edstem and do the delete an item exercise.